Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, so don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this one, the very beautiful decoration around the wall, the stairs and all. Very beautiful decoration you can see. And this one's too very beautiful, the roof, you can see the beautiful lights and all in the floor. Very disco type room, you can see. It is also very beautiful look. Very beautiful look it have. And this also you can see it is also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all in the floor, the flowers and all. Very beautiful decoration you can see. And this also you can see it is also very beautiful decoration and all, you can see. Looking very good, looking very expensive, also very beautiful. And this also you can see it is also very beautiful, the blue color bed, the wall and all, very beautiful. And this also very beautiful, you can see the roof, the wall and all, and the lights, very beautiful. You can see very beautiful decoration, you can see. This also very beautiful, the silver color wall, the bed and all, very beautiful. And you can see. And this one also you can see very beautiful decoration and all, the lights and all, very beautiful lights, looking very good, you can see. Very beautiful also. And this one also you can see it is also very beautiful. You can see the table, the chair and all, very beautiful decoration, you can see it is looking very good. And so also you can see the wall and all, very beautiful wall, you can see the floor and all, very beautiful floors and all. And this also you can see very beautiful decoration, the roof, the floor, the wall and all, and the side, very beautiful. And this also you can see the lights and all, beautiful lights, you can see very beautiful lights, very good looking lights, looking very good also. This also you can see the pink color bed, the wall and all, very beautiful lights also. This is also very beautiful, you can see the wall and all, very beautiful wall, and the bed and all, beautiful decoration, you can see. This also you can see the lights and all, and the you can see the cupboard, you can keep clothes and all, very beautiful decoration, you can see. Very beautiful lights. And this also you can see the bed upside, you can see the lights and all, very beautiful. This also you can see the wall and the chairs, the floor and all, and the lights, very beautiful decoration, you can see. And it's also the white color theme bed curtain. And also I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down and press that bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice, take care and goodbye.